Right, well, welcome, good morning, and we're on the southwest coastal path again. So far it's a beautiful day, although there has been rain forecast quite heavy today, so we'll see how that goes. I've just come down to a little patch of scrub where there are some birds. Now, this is the one place in the country where you'll see a particular bird, a Cirl Bunting. They're quite similar to a yellowhammer, but there's lots of them about up here, and I'm not sure which ones they are yet. I think they're Cirl Buntings, but so I'm going to try and just sit here for a bit and just see if I can get some pictures. I've had a walk along the coastal path now for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and I've seen quite a few things. Wheatear, stonechat, buzzard, sparrowhawk, and more Cirl Buntings. So there's plenty about. The problem is it's too far away as usual, and the second I sort of walk along, of course, it all scatters. So as you can see, I'm now lying down. I've just stopped for a coffee and on the beach down behind me, and I'm now lying down in the grass because opposite me is a patch of bracken and stuff on the side of a rock, and there does appear to be quite a few birds coming in and out of there. So I'm going to lie here and see if anything turns up. I just disturbed a sparrowhawk out of there actually. It was a shame because I was just getting into position. Anyway. That last thing didn't go very well. I was literally right next to the coastal path, and when I first got there was quite a few birds, sparrowhawk even. I lay down and then just people started walking past as they do. Humans, what are you going to do? Anyway, I stuck it out for a bit, but there was too many people coming past. So I've walked further back towards where I parked anyway, and I'm on the beach now, as you can see, on a sort of beautiful wheatear. So I've been lying down here, and sure enough it's just popped up on a rock in front of me. So I think I've managed to get a couple of pictures of the wheatear and a little bit of video, which was lovely because actually the plans worked. I've seen the bird, I've come and laid down in a spot and it's appeared, and I've got some pictures, I hope. I'm look pretty stupid if I haven't, but I think I have. I've noticed that there's a lot of gannets flying across just out to sea, so I'm going to try and get a bit close to the edge now, edge of the rocks, a bit close to the sea front, and see if we can get some nice pictures of some gannets, which would be nice. Beautiful again, what a wonderful day, wonderful place, stuff everywhere again. I think I'm going to go eventually. I'm going to go back to where I was to start with. I think that's the best place for the Cirl Buntings. That's where I can get closest and still hidden a bit. Although I've seen them all the way along the path, but I think that's the best place. I'll get close and get some pictures there just before we go back to the car park anyway. But for now, I'm going to go and see if I can find some gannets. Because I'm really uncomfortable on these rocks actually. I'll try and get up now. Okay. Well, as you can see, the weather's come in now, so I've come back to the car. I don't know whether it's going to change at all. It's still early. I mean, it's only 20 to 3 in the afternoon, so I've got plenty of time, but I ain't sitting out in this. It's ridiculous. I'm going to sit it out here and just have a look at my images in the video, see where we go from here. Well, the weather's took a turn for the better, and I'm glad I've come back out. I've actually come back and sat high at the top of that, all the gorse and everything that I was first thing. I'm just showing you, looking over the top of it now. I'm right up high, looking out over the sea and everything. It's great. Wow, what a finish. I did manage to get back out. The weather's turned quite nice again now. So I'll just pop back out to see if there's any more Cirl Buntings about. So I was just up on top of the gorse that you saw earlier, just looking down. And funny enough, I haven't seen any Cirl Buntings, but I have seen some of the little buntings of some sort. Got a couple of nice pictures. But what I want to finish with a fly past by a peregrine, and I think I've managed to get 1 or 2 decent shots of it flying over. So that's a great ending. Anyway, I've had an absolute blast this afternoon. It's just been fantastic. What a great place. I love it here. The Southwest Coastal Path in England. Why do you need to go abroad? You know, you've got everything here. It's stunning. I've seen some wonderful stuff today. I hope there's been enough to keep you interested, and if you have stayed this long, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you've subscribed already, thank you again. That means the world to me. If you haven't, please consider subscribing if you want to see more similar videos. It's just a guy with a camera, nothing very professional. I'll just go out and do my stuff, but I enjoy it, and I hope you do too. Thank you very much anyway, and I'll see you soon for some more South Devon adventures. Wonderful.